Hello everybody, welcome to the patting everybody else's doggies channel. That's what I should call it. Pat everybody else's doggy. Yeah, we just said hello to Toby. I couldn't film it because the daughter was out and she was only in her jammies. So I didn't feel comfortable filming. So better be safe than sorry. She's only probably 9-10 years old. And Toby was not out, but he was at the front door, the security door, and he kept on, Ratticus. And he kept on jumping up and down at the door till somebody came to the front door, and the daughter came to the front door and noticed us and thought, oh, there's a doggy out there. We know that doggy, and let Toby out. She came out. Yeah, Takani got lots of cuddles from her and pats, and she loved that. She loves pats from people. Lots of kisses between Toby and Takani. And she's hunting. And I got to give Toby lots of pats. And a few cuddles. But he was barking and barking and barking. He was just so excited to see her. Very excited to see Takani. Takani's very happy hunting for possums. Well, we've got many other doggies to walk past, because there hasn't been a very good doggy patting day today. Oh, this week. Come on, Takani. She says, I know there's something in there, I know it. I don't want it to catch whatever's in there. But she knows that there's more than likely a possum in the base of that tree. And I think what we want to do is catch a possum. We've already caught one possum on our walks. Yeah, so next doggy to visit. Let's see. Who is it going to be? Another friendly doggy. Yeah, you are a friendly doggy, aren't you? I just tossed her a toy. Yeah, I did. I tossed her a toy. Hello, friendly doggy. Hello. Hello, friendly doggy. Yeah, I got a toy. I got a toy. Hello. Hey. Here, toss me the toy. Toss me the toy. Yeah, you're a cattle dog, aren't you? Says, yeah, toss me the toy. Toss me the toy. Yes, hello. I can't toss you the toy. Oh, she wants me to toss the toy. Look at it. She wants me to toss the toy. Playing catch with somebody else's doggy. I don't know. I can't grab it from there, you have to pull it closer. Thank you. There you go. That's closer. There she's off. Oh dear. Ah, dear girl. You're a cattle dog, aren't you? And here's Mac. Hello, boy. What you been up to? What you been doing? Oh, you smell Toby. You do, you smell Toby. Toby's a gorgeous Samoyed down the road. Yeah, not that far away. And apparently he's going for a walk this morning, so you might get to see him. I don't know. Don't know if they walk this way. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Well, I've been missing you for the last couple of weeks. For the last week. Oh dear, oh dear. You're going to have to put up with me, because she's ignoring you. And you're ignoring me, because you're talking about the doggies across the road. And Sophie's up there. Sophie's a really old bulldog. Sophie is a really old bulldog. Hey, beautiful boy. Hey, so you've been spending the week away with your family, have you? Hey, you're so soft. Yes, you are. You're so soft. She's definitely not a fast girl anymore. Hey, not like you. You're still a puppy. Yep. You're still a puppy. Well, I've got to give this guy some cuddles. So see you later. We are nearly home. We didn't get to say hello to, well, we did kind of got to say hello to a blue heeler friend from a distance. Blue heeler friend was going out as we were coming in, as we were going past. So we waved at him as he was barking past in the back of the ute, the truck. Well, we'll see you later, everyone. Have a fantastic day. We've seen all of our friends, the ones that were out anyway. Catch us later. Have a fantastic day.